Most people think they can outthink the market. A bot just proved them wrong at 3:47 in the morning while they were asleep. Algorithmic trading now accounts for over 70% of all volume on major exchanges. That's not a fun fact. That's a warning. If you're trading manually against machines running thousands of decisions per second, you need to understand exactly what you're up against, and more importantly, how to use it. Here's how it actually works. A trading bot is just a set of rules, coded logic. When price crosses this level, buy. When it drops this percentage, sell. When volatility spikes, do nothing. No emotion, no second-guessing, no checking Twitter, and changing your mind. The bot executes the same way at 2 a.m. on a Tuesday as it does during a major market event. That consistency is the edge most traders never develop on their own, because humans are wired to feel fear and greed, and those two things destroy more accounts than any bad strategy ever has. But here's what nobody tells you about the 24/7 advantage. It's not just about catching trades while you sleep. It's about removing the gap between decision and execution. A manual trader sees a setup, hesitates, thinks about it, misses the entry by 2 cents, and then chases. A bot sees the same setup and is already in the position before you finished reading the candle. In fast markets, milliseconds are the difference between a clean entry and a bad fill. Now let's talk about the risk, because this is where people get blindly optimistic and blow up. A bot will faithfully execute a terrible strategy just as fast as it executes a great one. If your rules are wrong, the bot is just wrong faster and more consistently. Backtesting on historical data feels convincing until the market regime changes and your proven system starts losing every trade in a row. The bot doesn't know the news dropped. It doesn't know liquidity dried up. It just follows the rules. So the risk isn't automation. The risk is automation without oversight. The traders who actually last combine systematic execution with regular human review. They let the bot handle the mechanical side, entries, exits, position sizing, risk limits, and they focus on whether the underlying logic still makes sense given current conditions. That's the partnership. Not replacing judgment, upgrading it. And there's one more thing the best automated systems do that most people skip entirely. They log everything. Every trade, every condition that triggered it. Because without data, you're just guessing what's working and what isn't. The discipline to build rules, stick to them, and review them honestly is what separates traders who scale from traders who start over. Vishmaster automates exactly this. Add vishmaster.live.